Guys, this is Sam down here at Equipment. Today I have a brand new 2023 Polaris Sportsman 450 HO. HO means high output. This is an awesome machine, brand new color. I don't know about you guys, but my favorite color is orange, so this is an awesome new color. This unit does not have power steering, but there are models with power steering. This one will do just as good as a job. Has awesome headlights here, LED headlights. Does come with this front rack and storage area up here in the front. So if you have any tools or any snacks you want to take along the ride, you can always do that. This is all-wheel drive, so it has two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, everything like that. All your gears are up here on the side, on your right side. Awesome digital screen so you can see how fast you're going, everything like that. Does have the override. You go as fast in reverse as you do forward. What's awesome, my favorite feature about these units that Polaris makes is this back storage area. So as you can see, there are rings in here if you're using this machine for work. Awesome to put 5-gallon buckets, already have the O-ring for it. All you have to do is strap it down. Does have a rear receiver, so you have an option to tow stuff around, using it for work. But we do have this unit in stock right now. I do not know how long it will last. So come down to Carnes Equipment, check it out, talk with our sales team, and take this unit home today.